Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today's video is going to be my BOXYCHARM unboxing for the month of September. We're going to be going through everything that came in this fabulous little box, as well as a try-on application of pretty much everything in the box. I will go to what I'm skipping and why in the video. There's also going to be a giveaway in this video because I do have the full-size BoxyLuxe, a regular BOXYCHARM, as well as some of these products I do already have. So a lot of overflows will be going into a giveaway. So if you want to see what's going to be entered into this giveaway, keep on watching. If you want to enter, make sure to like this video, comment down below with what product in this month's box you're most excited for, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. That is also going to be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So without keeping you guys waiting too much longer, let's jump right into the box. So normally I would do a first impressions with you guys, which I kind of did. I will be dropping footage in of the application of all of these products, but we're just going to start talking through for now. So first item out of the box is going to be the theme card. So the theme of the month is Boxy All Access, which I think is really cool because it's very like behind the scenes-y. I don't really get that vibe from the products, but I love the campaign shots. Like they are just some stunning pictures. I am variation number 13. Normally it's on the back of the card, so I was looking for it. First item out of the box is going to be the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. I am going to drop some application of the palette. What I will say is I found the blush to be a little bit patchy. The bronzer was beautiful and the highlights were nice. My only issue, both of the highlights have a lot of gold in them. I personally like something to be a little bit softer and ashier. I like more of that like silvery glow as opposed to a true gold. The palette does smell like the traditional like Too Faced chocolate items. You guys know that I love the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This retails for $44. On the cheeks today, I used Sunny Honey as a contour bronzy shade, and I took a little bit of Tropic Like It's Hot, which is more of like a glowy bronzer, and I took that around the perimeters of the face. I used Pink Sand for blush, and then I actually used both of the highlighters today because I started with Satin Sheets, and it was a little too gold, so I did top a little bit of the one with the pink shift, which is Starlight, right on top. The next item out of the box, which I did not do a application on video for, is the Dr. Brandt Hydra Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. It is a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances the skin's naturally occurring flora and locks moisture in to reduce redness and soothe irritation. This is another one of those products that I've actually been using for a couple weeks now, of about a week, because I did already have this. So this is one of the items that will be going into the giveaway. It is really quite nice. I do feel very hydrated in the morning. I don't know if I necessarily see anti-redness or calming because I don't have a lot of redness in the first place, but it is a super nourishing skin mask. This retails for $52, and it is just, you know how sometimes you put on your skincare and it just hits a little harder? Like you feel like whatever you just put on feels great? This stuff feels amazing on the skin when you're going to bed, and you do wake up feeling nice and hydrated. So if you have more of the dry or even irritated skin, you would love this product. Next, from Moda Pro, this is the 5-piece this is the 5-piece brush kit. Moda Pro takes Moda to the next level. This line features superior quality, filaments, and modern professional shapes. Use this kit to create endless on-trend eye looks. I did use all of these brushes today, and I actually used it with the Violet Voss Essentials palette. This I got in PR a couple weeks ago. This did not come in my box. It actually came in my BoxyLuxe. So check out that video because I'm going to give one of these palettes away plus some other items in that video. Stay tuned to see what's going in that giveaway in that video. But I'm going to insert some footage for this. I did use all 5 of these brushes and created a nice purpley smoky eye today. Very happy with how the brushes performed. I am going to say that the crease brush was a little bit too flimsy for me. The crease brush was a little flimsy, but I did really like the shader brush, the shape of this, and you guys will definitely be seeing the detail brush, which I thought was a really, really nice pencil. If you want to see some more details on this eye look, I will be putting a little bit more in-depth eye look in the BOXYCHARM video, just because that's where this palette came from. The next item out of the box, this is from Hank & Henry. It is the Blackity Black Eyeliner. Introducing our latest addition to the Slick With It line of eye products. Our eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula that dries to a satin matte finish, extremely long wearing, transfer resistant, and perfect for hooded lids. What I will say is it did apply super smooth. I did not do a wing, but I did a very thin line. It has not budged, transferred, slipped around at all since I applied it. My eyes are notorious for having that bleeding in the inner corner, and I have none of that going on. So this is actually a beautiful liner. This is another product I have duplicates of, so I will be giving one of these away as well in this video. And the last item out of the box, which I was the least excited for and was really like pretty confident I was going to hate it. This is the $1 Billion Brow Microblade Effect Brow Pen. It retails for $18. Oh, the Hank & Henry retails for $20. But the $1 Billion Brow Pen mimics the look of actual brow hairs to get a microblade effect without the blade. Can be used to define a very bold brow or create natural looking hairs for a more subtle look. Long lasting formula will stay on all day. I thought I was going to hate this because I don't love these type of products because I find they dry out really quickly and I don't love the effect. But when I did go in with this today, I did find that this was perfect for really getting those like detail brow hairs. You guys know I like a soft and effortless brow, and honestly, this was super easy to use to the point where I might love this. I've used a lot of the $1 Billion Brow products. I know we got one of their like traditional brow pencils a couple months ago, which was okay. I do have that around here somewhere. The $1 Billion Brow Eye Pencil, which, I mean, it's not a bad pencil. I didn't dislike it. It definitely didn't do as much as I like from my like Anastasia brow or my Benefit brow. However, this one is definitely amazing. Might be the standout product of the box. Anyway, so this box retails for $161.95, and it only costs $21. So I know I say this in every BOXYCHARM video that even if you don't love every product in the box, I do typically find that you like enough to at least make it worth the value. I do also say this in every video. There's a link down below. If you want to check out BOXYCHARM Beauties, it is a Facebook swap group where if you got the face palette and you wanted the eye palette, go on in there. I'm sure there is somebody who's looking to either sell the one that you want or trade. You can totally use that as a way to kind of swap out the products in the box that you might not be super excited for. And it's a really good way to, again, see some sneak peeks and spoilers. So make sure to check out that link down below. Also, $161 value for the base box is absolutely amazing. This is one of the higher valued boxes lately. I'm going to say I don't think it's my favorite box. Last month's was really, really good. There's nothing in this box that I found was like a fail or something I don't like, but I have so many brushes that the brushes are probably something I would have passed on. I don't use a lot of liquid liner, so I'm really happy I got to try it out. But again, I'm not the type of person where liquid liner is something I tend to gravitate towards often. However, the cheek palette is really pretty. The clean Hydra Biotic sleeping mask is super comfortable on the skin, and this brow pencil is next level that I think you guys are going to be seeing a whole lot more of this. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like and a comment and a subscribe. Again, that's also going to be a way to enter the giveaway. I also do have another box coming, my paid box, because I do order one as well. So I will be giving away a full box in this video in addition to all of the other giveaway products. So again, to enter that, just like this video, comment down below with what you're most excited for, and subscribe. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.